Dropping bombs out of cargo planes has been a common measure of desperation for under-equipped air forces and opportunistic mercenaries throughout the history of aviation. However, U.S. Marine Corps found a way to make a virtue out of flexibility by developing Harvest Hawk, a kit which allowed refueling tankers to double as missile-toting gunships and creepy aerial spying platforms. Tanker aircraft, but can also fire missiles. That's what the KC-130J Harvest Hawk of the Marine Aerial Refueler Transport Squadron 252, U.S. Marine Corps did. With the addition of the Marine Corps' ISR weapon mission kit, the KC-130J will be able to serve as an overwatch aircraft and can deliver ground support fire in the form of Hellfire or Griffin missiles. TSS or Target Sight System integrates an infrared and television camera and is mounted under the left wing's external fuel tank. It is the same TSS used on the upgraded AH-1Z Viper attack helicopter. The typical loadout is 4 Hellfire missiles,